Taurus. Taurus energy. Taurus. Taurus energy. Huh. Ten of Cups. Happiness. After the rain, after the storm, you look up and there's a rainbow. To your surprise, I hope it's a double rainbow. I'm hearing Pink Floyd's Endless River. You could be worried about something. You could be worried about your happiness. Some of you could be depressed, up late at night, not sleeping well. I'm seeing these two men fighting, fencing, going back and forth in your mind about your own happiness. You may not be allowing yourself to move forward with something. You could be holding yourself back. Here, it's like everything could fall down upon you, but it doesn't. It's in place. Everything is fine. But you feel in the dark. There's a gift coming in. Someone's charitable. Or this is the energy of to be of service, to give of your time, to heal. Because when you give to others and when you're of service to everything, to anyone, it's as the universe does. It's constantly giving us air, food, water, love. New inspiration, new beginnings. You can see the castle in the distance. You could be all of a sudden inspired. Something inspires you from out of the blue. The hand appears and something grows. It grows and grows and grows. Jack of the Beanstalk. Something's coming in. An option. This inspiration. Are you going to take action on it? It could bring in a lot of happiness, something to celebrate. Fruits on the vine. You just have to have strength to manifest, to bring it from heaven to earth. Make the choice. Be very clear and focused. And take actions from the heart. Be resourceful. And it leads to your happiness.